HCC has been an innovator in agricultural products for over 100 years. With an extensive knowledge of harvesting processes, HCC has developed a new sensor that will decrease grain loss and improve harvesting efficiency. Introducing SieveSense. The cleaning shoe of the combine is where the grain is separated from the residue. SieveSense is connected directly to the sieve's louvers and transmits absolute louver position to the combine system controller in real time. Current technology interprets louver position from the sieve actuator, which is inaccurate and ignores crop harvesting changes. Increased crop load can close down the forward louvers, causing additional losses, since the current actuator is unaware of these dynamic field changes. However, since SieveSense is mounted directly to the louvers, these dynamic changes are recognized immediately. This will allow the combine controller to readjust the louver opening to reduce grain loss automatically, lessening the workload of the operator. When the crop load is lessened, SieveSense will recognize the louvers are out of position and allow the combine controller to readjust the louver to the proper opening, again reducing grain loss automatically. SieveSense can also predict shoe failure based on monitoring the shoe shake amplitude and frequency, eliminating expensive repairs and costly downtime. HCC SieveSense, innovation that makes sense for increased harvesting efficiency. Contact your dealer to inquire when your combine might include this valuable new product, increasing your harvest profitability.